In this video, I'll show you how to track expenses in Xero. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're inside, go to the accounting menu and click Bank Accounts. Next, select the bank account you use for business expenses. This will show all your imported transactions. After that, review each expense and make sure it is correctly categorized. You can click on a transaction and assign it to the right expense account like travel, office supplies, or utilities. Now, if the expense is already recorded as a bill, use Find and Match to link the bank transaction to that bill. Next, for new expenses, click Create and select Spend Money to record the expense manually if needed. After that, make sure you add clear descriptions and correct tax rates so your records stay accurate. Now continue reviewing and categorizing all outgoing transactions regularly to keep your accounts up to date. Finally, check your reports in Xero to see all tracked expenses reflected in your profit and loss statement. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to track expenses in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.